Hey everyone, welcome to DelftStack. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to restart the networking service in Linux. This video is perfect for beginners and intermediate users who want to manage and troubleshoot network services effectively. Open your terminal and run the following command to restart the network service. You will notice the network icon disappears and then reappears. That's normal, and that's it. This is how you can restart the network service in Linux. That's it for today's tutorial on restarting the networking service in Linux. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to DelftStack for more tutorials. Check out our other videos on Linux system administration and networking. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.